Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be making our rice stick. Some call it Singapore noodles, some call it Chinese noodles. Feel free to call it whichever one you prefer. Here I have my core ingredients. I have my protein nicely washed and cut. I have my spring onion, my carrot. I also have my green, red and yellow bell pepper. Now I'll proceed to spice up my proteins. I'll be adding about a teaspoon of curry powder. Next I'll be adding some paprika, about a teaspoon of that. And next I'll be adding my black pepper powder. Lastly, I added my salt and I'll be using my hand to mix everything together to combine properly. I'll set it aside to marinate for 15 minutes. If today is the first time you're coming across my YouTube channel, you're highly welcome. Grab your chair and sit back. Let's dabble into the cooking process. Here I have my rice stick. I just added it to a bowl and then I went in with my hot water. Please do not allow this to sit in the hot water for too long, else it will become soggy. You wouldn't want your rice stick to become soggy. And in my pan, I added my olive oil. I'll allow it to heat up a little. In my plate, I have about 3 eggs. I added my dry chili powder and some eggs. I'll whisk together to combine nicely. I'll be frying. I'll be giving it a scramble look and then I'll allow it to fry at all sides and then I'll take it off the pan. Please, if you're still watching to this point, do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Help me share this video. Also help me subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please support me by hitting the notification bell to get notified whenever I post new videos. Thank you to all my returning viewers. Now I added my marinated beef into my pan. Before that, I added a little oil. Our beef will release its own juice, but after that, it's going to go ahead to fry because of the oil we added. Now I added my sesame oil, my dark oyster sauce, my sweet chili sauce, and my light soy sauce. Next, I'll be adding just a bouillon cube. I added a little curry powder, a little chili powder, some salt, and I'll mix to combine nicely. I'll set it aside and go check how our beef is doing. At this point, guys, you can see our beef is fried. It has released its own juice and then it has dried up and now it's frying because of the oil we added previously. I'll take it off the pan. Please feel free to over fry yours if you want it to be dark brown. Mine, I wanted it to be just gold brown. Now I added a little oil. I added my ginger and garlic powder. I fried for about 3 minutes and then I added my sliced onion. Next, I'll be adding my carrots. I'll be frying my carrots just so it gets a little tender, just a little tender. You wouldn't want to overcook your veggies. At this point, I'm frying or cooking at a very high heat. I don't want those veggies to release its own moisture. That's why I'm cooking on a very high heat. I don't want to give it that opportunity of releasing its own water. Now I'll be adding our mixed liquid. I'll stir to combine. Please, if you're still watching, do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Help me subscribe to get notified whenever I post new videos. At this point, I didn't quite capture when I added the beef and the egg, but I've added it now and I've added also our rice stick. Now it needs, this is where the work starts. You need a whole lot of manpower to get this combined nicely because of the lengthy rice noodles we have. Feel free to break your rice noodles into little sticks. I just added mine the way it is originally. I didn't break it. You can see me stirring with 2 spoons. That is how much power and energy you need to put this to make it combine nicely. And now our food is ready. Look at the face of that Singapore noodles rice stick. Oh my god, it was so yummy and spicy, just the way I wanted it. And here am I eating mine with a glass of chilled juice. Please come join me have some for lunch. Thank you to all my new subscribers and I'll be seeing you again. Thank you for watching.